Hello and welcome back to Sailing LRA. I wanted to see if I can improve the look of the cushions in my cabin, as the budget didn't allow for reupholstering this year. I couldn't take the covers off the cushions as the zippers had corroded and the covers would never go back on. The cushion we're going to focus on here is the saloon seat on the port side. I bought a battery-powered cleaner as I was initially going to take it to the boat. And this is the cleaner that I bought, and while this is not a review of the cleaner, it's easy to use and seems to work well. I had some carpet cleaner at home, so I used this rather than trying a specific product, and again, it seemed to work well. The cleaner was easy to prepare and simply required filling the first tank up with water and adding the cleaning fluid. The 5 amp hour battery attaches and you're ready to go. You can see here that the cushion has some stains, including some rust circles from where buttons once were, and there's also a fair amount of general dirt. Seeing the cushion in full sun really highlighted how dirty it was. The pre-wash stain lifter didn't seem to have any effect on the result, which was pretty disappointing. The machine is essentially a wet vac, and by pulling the trigger on the handpiece, the cleaning solution is sprayed ahead of the vacuum nozzle. It's a simple process, but you do have to apply pressure with each pass. The first application made no difference to the rust circles, but as you can see, the ground in dirt has largely gone. I have to say that I was appalled by what was sucked up into the storage tank. Stay watching until the end of the pour to see the thick sediment flow out. I ended up repeating the cleaning process 4 times on this cushion, and the amount of dirt that kept on coming out was quite scary.